Hey, what up guys? So I'm showing you this cool app I made. So let's get started already because I don't want to get boring and stuff. So first we gotta import the SMTP lib module, which is the thing that sends the emails. So then we define this variable, which is like gonna be our main variable in this, and we're gonna define it as it's gonna be the server we connect to. That's why I named it server, because it is the server. And then here we start the server. So this is required. If you don't add this, none of this on the bottom is gonna work. Okay, and then we gotta do this. So you don't have to worry about this for now, but I just put it there so I can do the while loop here. So let's not skip. So let's just and I ask the person for their email and their password, and then the k equals true is used here. So while true, so it's gonna keep repeating forever. But then here's the thing, so in this try block, it's gonna try to log into their account and password so it can send and receive emails. But then if it does work, then it's gonna change the k to false, which lets us go on to the next line of code, which is this, or like the next block of code. And then if it doesn't work, it's gonna try to execute this, but it's not gonna work. So it's gonna go ahead and jump over the k equals false and go to this except block, and it's gonna execute these codes. So yeah, basically here let's add a line break to make it one thing. And then here we define h as how many times you want to spam them, what you want to put in these messages that spam them, and who you would like to spam. So this one has to be a full email, like it has to be like let's say bobama@gmail.com. So you don't put the username doesn't work in this. So you have to put the actual full thing. So you can change the position of this to make it so it's easier for people to see it. So I'm gonna put here, let's just cut it. I'm gonna put mine up here so it asks who you want to spam before it asks you the other questions. And then this one is that line is an extra thing. I don't even know I have that. I think it's so it can log in, like if it needs to log in later, so it can go back and log in. So here, you don't actually need this, so let's just remove it. Here, you could just remove it. It doesn't really matter. And then here it's for I in range int. So don't forget these three letters, the int, because that's what makes it into an integer instead of a string. And so I'm pretty sure, okay, here it asks how many times you want to spam them, and this is gonna be the amount of times it's gonna be this line of code, which is the email sending. So here it says send mail. Here, this says send mail, and it sends it from this email, which is the email you enter, to the email you want to spam, and the text is what you want it to put in these messages. And then here, if everything goes well and it works, it's gonna do it worked, which just means like which is just to give you like an alert that the program finished well. Now understand that for some computers this might not work, because some computers have built-in like spam protection, and sometimes it's really good to the point that it can tell if this kind of stuff is spam or not. And then this last line of code, I'm not sure what it does, but I think it's better if you put it, so you'd get out of the Google server instead of staying there forever. So now let's run this and see what happens. So here, Just wait for it to load. And so if you don't want to do the work or anything, here's a URL. You could just use this URL in your browser here. Let me show you. Copy this URL, go to a new window, print it in, go in, and there you go. Now sometimes this might not work for some reasons, but I don't know. So let's do this. And then you see all of those, right? Hello world, and all of them. And when were they sent? They were all sent at the same time. So that just tells you that it's actually working. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah. See you next video. If we can hit 50 likes, then I'll make another video on other stuff like this. Now, it might not be like evil stuff related. It could be something more like a visual game, like a GUI game, or maybe something that just makes you look cool, like a binary code generator. Something that just puts a bunch of random ones and zeros. Okay, thanks for watching again. Please hit that like button, smash it in the face, like you would smash anyone that stands in your way, and subscribe and share this video if you want to, but I highly recommend that you don't share it, because you don't want other people to know about this, so you don't want people to be spamming you. So so you want to do this as many times as you can. Now if you don't understand something, you could just put it in the comments and then I'll try to answer it as soon as I can. Most of the time I don't look back at my videos, but I'll try this time because this one might have been a confusing topic. So yeah, bye.